Hey there, audio aficionado. Are you grappling with an unexpected Anker soundburst problem interrupting your audio bliss? Well, you're not alone. In this guide, we'll explore how to fix Anker soundburst problem and restore your sound experience to its full potential. Whether it's annoying static or sudden volume spikes, we've got the step-by-step solutions you need. Step 1. Check for firmware updates. First things first, keeping your device updated is crucial. Check the Anker website or the supporting app for any firmware updates for your device. Firmware updates often address known issues and enhance device performance, including resolving soundburst problem. Connect your device to your computer or mobile app and follow the instructions to update it. Always make sure your device has sufficient battery before starting an update. Step 2. Adjust audio settings. Sometimes the problem isn't with the hardware, but the settings. On your audio source device, whether it's a phone, tablet, or computer, navigate to the audio settings. Here, ensure the balance and equalizer settings are neutral or adjusted to your preference. Also, disable any enhancements like bass boost or surround sound that might be interfering with clean audio output, contributing to the soundburst problem. Step 3. Inspect and clean connections. Loose or dirty connections can lead to intermittent sound bursts. Inspect all the cables and connectors for any signs of wear or damage. If your Anker device uses a Bluetooth connection, make sure your device is within range and free from obstruction. Additionally, briefly disconnect and then securely reconnect the cables, or in the case of Bluetooth, forget the device on your audio source and then reconnect. Step 4. Test with different devices. To rule out the audio source as the culprit, try connecting your Anker device to another gadget. If the problem persists with a different device, the issue likely resides in the Anker product itself. On the contrary, if sound bursts stop while using another audio source, the original device may need an update or a check on its audio setting. Step 5. Reset your Anker device. If all else fails, executing a factory reset on your Anker device might do the trick. Refer to the user manual for instructions on performing a reset. This process will revert all settings to their defaults, could resolve underlying issues. After resetting, ensure you repair or reconnect your audio source following the initial setup instructions. Step 6. Contact Anker support. Should the problem persist, it's a good time to reach out to Anker's customer support team. Provide them with details of your experience and cite any troubleshooting steps you've already taken. As experts in their product, they can provide advanced support or, if necessary, arrange repairs or replacements under warranty. Experiencing an Anker soundburst problem can be frustrating, but with patience and this comprehensive guide, you have several avenues to explore. From updating firmware, checking settings, to contacting support, you are equipped with solutions that cater to both simple and complex issues. Remember, a smooth audio experience is just a few steps away. Dive into troubleshooting and get back to enjoying your favorite tunes without interruptions.